LHUGUENY song tier list based on songs I've listened to. Some of them I did not listen to, so they're not going to be listed. So we're going to start off with the classic, okay? Hold on, let me move it up. Don't scare me! The song's low-key fire, S tier, already. Where is it? You already know, baby. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. This is S tier. Okay? Let's see what else. Stardew Valley is kind of mid. Skyrim haven't give. GTA 5 haven't given that one a listen. I need to catch up. I think Neutral Run, that is. Minecraft and music. Okay, this is from 2011 to 2024. So like, okay, I guess Until Yellow is kind of good, and I'm jamming to that. Loki, as we speak, is playing. I got bored, saw another guy do this in a video, so I decided to make this myself. Definitely A tier. If I read, okay, this is S tier. Fucking love it. Let's see, Fallout 4. Oh my god, S tier, dog. Miners on the Moon. S tier. Love it. This D tier. Garbage. The fuck? Squid Game. Haven't seen it, thank god. Pokemon. I guess this will be a C tier. Or no, B tier. Because I like it, but I kind of don't at the same time. Apex Legends. Dog. To her me, when time is up, please give me an extension. Alright, we gotta get this shit on S tier, dog. S tier. S fucking tier, you hear me? Which one have it? Obviously, this one has to go on S tier. Where did it go? This one has to go on S tier. No. This one has to go on S tier, bro. My favorite. Go on, get it on there. S tier. Let's see. Oh my god. Another S tier, dude. Another fucking banger, okay? And I know bangers. How do I put this in S tier? Put that shit in S tier, dog. Okay, what else? I think there was one song, I forget the name of. Where is it? Oh my god. Banger. Banger. Banger, hold on. This shit low-key a banger. Yo. I'm cooking. FNAF 2 the musical? Go in S here, my son. Fucking love you. Let's see, what else? Black Ops 2 the musical, is it here? Or Rick and Morty the musical is crazy. Batman vs Superman, I fucking don't fuck with that. Loki ass. Do they not have it on this tier list? Okay, they don't have it. CSGO, I fuck with that one, but Lethal Company one's garbage. What? Okay, no, that's photoshopped. I put that in there as a joke. We got a banger. Low-key another banger. Hold on. Low key, another banger. I got the best bangers, y'all. Y'all ain't fucking with me, bro. If you don't like one of these songs, you are a fucking op. Black Ops 2 the musical, banger. Instantly. No questions asked. What else? Modern Warfare 3 the musical, I have to say, it looks kinda good. Oh, Happy Wheels the musical. Absolute banger, dude. Absolute S tier. Dude, S tier shit, okay? Banger shit right here. What? Fuck off. Banger shit right here, okay? Bangers. Absolute bangers, my friend. What else? What else have I watched? I guess Fortnite the musical, low-key shit, okay? Fucking sucks. I'm sorry, but you didn't cook. Alright, you fucking burnt the food, so D-tier at most. Fuck you. Doors. Okay. This is dog shit. Far Cry 5. Banger. 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 Absolute banger. Absolute banger, bro. Absolute. New List goes. Another S tier. You got that right. Let's see. What else? What else? What else? What else? What else? What else? Mob of the Dead. I don't think I. No, actually, I remember. I do listen to that. I like it, but I kind of forget how it goes. So I don't know where I'm gonna put it. I'm gonna save spot for S tier, so this will be A tier, but that's also an S tier. Or can I do this? Can I make it huge? Can it be bigger? No. Okay, you'll go A tier. You'll go A tier. Super Mario, yeah. That's F, like it or D, kind of, it's ass, okay? Let's see what else. What else will we make? What else are we dealing with here? What else are we dealing with? I'm trying to look for ones that I've listened to. I don't really remember half the thumbnails. Oh, dude. Dude, hold on. Let me get this one up here. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, we're cooking. All S tier, okay? A tier, B tier, no, nothing in C tier. Wait. Okay, hold on. I did not put that one up. GTA 5. I found it. Alright, this one's ass. I hate this one with a fiery fucking passion. You know, it sucks. It sucks ass, so get out of here. Yeah, you're also going to D tier, pal. You suck. Horrible. I'm not fucking with you. Is this Alien the musical? I think it is. Titanic, alright, A tier. Love that one. Lyrics, one of my favorites. Did I get FNAF 3 the musical? No, I didn't get FNAF 3 the musical. I need that. That needs to go in S tier this instant. This traction is great. So many gods I can. I don't think I can say that word. New Fast Benefits tries here. They gave me a guarantee. Some cases 100% invested every cent. Ballsy's Basics the musical, bro. Low key, I fuck with this one. I kind of still do to this day. I remember when that came out, and I would jam out to that shit. Ah, found you, buddy. Goated with the sauce. Fuck, I lost it. Where I put it? Found it. I found you, pal. Go to S tier where you belong. With all the others, my friend. There we go. There's a lot. I know I've watched some of these. No, I've watched like 50%. No, 75% of these. Like from 2011. No, from 2013 to 2024. Yeah, yes. Because I remember Minecraft the musical. I remember Transit. That's Fortnite again. I remember CS:GO. What I don't remember is fucking... Where is it? That's Backrooms, the musical. Ass. I don't remember this one right here. I forget what that one's called. Is that Captain Price? Alright. This is my tier list. Goated or not, let me know. How do I... Whoa, whoa.